more than blue, but they could be. I don't know. We'd have to use some color correction to make sure use some color charts to make sure that we're right on that. Anywho. So whether it is a Tesla, an electric car, or it is a gasoline car, whatever you decide to drive, you are creating some sort of pollution, noise pollution, some kind of stuff is being sent out into the air. So whatever you do, you are polluting the environment, whether you like to admit it or not, whether you feel you are the coolest person in the world or not. Um, of course, it is less than if you are contributing gas and brake pad stuff into the air, but you're still polluting. So it'd be cooler, and people are already working on that some machines will be able to fly us around. There are some very cool flying machines now, and eventually we will have flying machines. But I wonder if the FAA making the Part 107 and giving that thing a certification out to more people is going to eventually mean that most people driving a car are going to have to be Part 107 certified as well, because it's going to be flying cars. Maybe that's something else that's coming down the pike. And the question at that point is going to be, will we have flying cars and stuff that are self-driving so people won't have to be certified in order to be there and be driven to places? Because let me tell you something, it is easier to get a driver's license than it is a Part 107. And so how many people are going to be ousted or be rejected from being able to drive when flying cars are going to be the only cars out there? Something to ponder. If we keep having Part 107 be so difficult to acquire, if the gatekeeping is so difficult, if they keep doing this stuff to us where becoming a Part 107 is so difficult, if we do not lower the bar on the Part 107, making it easier for people to obtain, we are going to run into situations at some point where all cars are